Welcome. So I'm going to show you in this video how to do a basic search using Google Scholar, as well as how of an item. So first you want to make sure you're on scholar.google.com, and then you will go to the search bar at the top of the page. And so I'm just going to stay on select articles because I want to find some scholarly articles or books or theses. And then I will select fashion industry in Japan because I'm very interested in that right now. And then we will just select the search button. And so only after you click the search button can you sort of narrow down your search, but it's not like JSTOR where you can sort by type of article, whether it's peer-reviewed or full text. It just has less limiters available to you. But the ones that are available are the time in which you're looking for the resource. So you can select the years that they have, the options they have here for years, or you can create your own custom range. So I can do, say, I guess 1993 to 2023. And you can search for those items. And so the date, you can see the date where I'm pointing my cursor here. So all of these dates are within that date range. It also gives you the option of sorting by relevance or sorting by date. So let me just erase the date range. Okay. So you can sort by the relevancy of the article, and then you could also sort by the date as well. So for abstracts, but also for everything else. And so it looks like it goes from most recent from this year, and then goes back each year. And then so for the type of articles, so you can either select any type, or you can select review articles, so articles that have been reviewed by others, not necessarily other peer scholars. So again, this is really just a website that you should use when you're just starting out with research, because you might find a lot of inaccuracies in the resources and information that you're looking at, because they're not necessarily reviewed by experts in that field. So let's see. So any type just gives you all of the resources available. It doesn't matter if it's been reviewed or cited. It just gives you all of these sources that are available through Google Scholar. And then so for types, also you can click on include patents and also include citations, or you can elect to not include citations. So those are two other options for that. And if you can also, it provides you with an option to cite each resource. So in all different styles, so MLA, APA, Chicago, Harvard, and Vancouver. And again, even though it does give you the citation. You want to do some research on your own and double check and make sure that the citation is correct, because sometimes there are some small tedious mistakes that you would have to go in and fix. Okay, and then so you can also, if you do have a Google account, which I just found out, and you sign in to Google Scholar, which again is not going to be, not everybody's going to have the ability to do this. So let me just log in. So you can actually, if you have a Google account already set up, you can actually save some of these articles. Actually, you can save any search result that you have here. So if I go select the save button here, and then label as reading list, and then if I go up to this star that says my library, so, and I've also saved another source already, so this source that I just selected is saved in my library. It still doesn't allow you, if you only have just a Gmail account that's not associated with a library or with a student account, it's not going to provide you access with the full text just because you saved it. It just gives you, it just allows you to save that abstract or the summary of that article in case you want to look back and maybe use that or something related to that article. Okay, and so another thing that you can do is, so you can you can select case law, and then you can select different courts to search in. So they have a variety of state courts and also federal courts that you can select, and in order to find different information regarding laws that you are looking for. Okay, so that's kind of a basic search. Let me know if you have any questions on this. Thanks. Bye.